feel the heat.
I'm gonna knock that dish down, man.
Yeah, good idea.
What's that?
Good idea, huh?
All right, guys. Hey.
Yeah.
Again, very nice meeting you,
Nice
man.
meeting you too,
You
Mike.
guys have a good one. Take care.
Yeah, be safe. Look at that, huh? This is part of a backfire that the fire department's now doing. We gotta get out of here. It's gonna come all the way right to this area. Why didn't firefighters tell everyone here to move before they started this backfire? Wait for the satellite dish to come down. Well, this is just great now, isn't it? Woo, that's hot. Here, take the camera off. I think this is gonna go through us. Oh, jeez.
Hey, get the front